And Guru is nothing but your own innermost voice, which may find resonance and reflection in another person, another being. But ultimately, the voice is your own. It is you, your true self. The medium through which the message may come may be another person who you call a guru. But how come only some words of some people have that resonance? A lot of people say lots of things to you. Why are they not the guru? It is only because the words which resonate with you, with your being, with who you are, that resonance establishes the guru. And that resonance comes from you, not from somebody outside. So when that connection, when that connectivity with that energy, that entity, that divine force, whoever that person is, doesn't matter. When that connection happens with the inner guru, and you feel that now you are in sync with that you have that support, that companionship, that guidance. So this song can be directed toward that energy.
पल एक पल में ही थम सा गया तू, हाथ में हाथ जो दे गया। चलूं मैं जहाँ जाए तू, दाएं में तेरे बाएं तू, हूँ रुत में हवाएं तू साथिया। हंसूं मैं जब गाए तू, रोऊं मैं मुरझाए तू, भीगूं मैं बरसाए तू साथिया। साया मेरा है तेरी शक्ल, हाल है ऐसा कुछ आजकल। सुबह हूँ मैं तू धूप है, मैं आईना हूँ तू रूप है। ये मेरा साथ खूब है हम सफर। तू इश्क के सारे रंग दे गया, फिर खींच के अपने संग ले गया। कहीं पे खो जाए चल, जहाँ रुक जाए पल, कभी न फिर आए कल साथिया। एक मांगे अगर 100 ख्वाब दूं, तू रहे खुश मैं आबाद हूँ। तू सबसे जुदा जुदा सा है, तू अपनी तरह तरह सा है। मुझे लगता नहीं है तू दूसरा। पल एक पल में ही थम सा गया तू, हाथ में हाथ जो दे गया। चलूं मैं जहाँ जाए तू, दाएं में तेरे बाएं तू, हो रुत में हवाएं तू साथिया। हंसूं मैं जब गाए तू, रोऊं मैं मुरझाए तू, भीगूं मैं बरसाए तू साथिया। साथिया साथिया.
Encore, encore.
Yeah, the words are so perfectly apt. No?
Beautiful, beautiful.
Beautiful. The same song. I mean, yeah, it's beautiful as a romantic song, no problem. It's nice. But when you put it in the context of divine support, divine love, divine truth, tu ishq ke sare rang de gaya. Because romance is only one color, but love has many colors. Love for your parents, love for your children, love for a friend, love for a game, love for music, love for life, love for existence. इश्क के सारे रंग दे गया, फिर खींच के अपने संग ले गया, खींच के अपने संग ले गया. There is an insistence, come, 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 come walk with me. खींच के अपने संग ले गया. कहीं पे खो जाए चल, जहां रुक जाए पल. Where time stops, where time stops. It is only in it's only in very, very, very special, very, very particular situations where you feel the. We know theoretically I can, take you through a whole logical process to show you that time actually does not exist as an absolute level. It does not exist. There is no time. There is only now. Now, 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 now. There is no flow of time. The flow of time is a mental construct, as a concept constructed by us just for convenience, to prevent everything from happening at once. So we as a matter of convenience, just like we are one, but yet for convenience. Okay, Purushottam, okay, Anamika, okay, Jennifer, okay, Sanjay. ये नाम हमने दे रखे कन्वीनियंस के लिए, जगह हमने दे रखी है कन्वीनियंस के लिए, वरना वी आर वन. There is no time, there is no space, there is no difference, there is no people. We are all part of only one dream. We are all part of one mind. We are all inside one mind, being dreamt by that same one mind. There is no difference. If I dream of a rock and if I dream of a tree, yes, the rock and the tree look different inside the dream, but they both belong to the same dream. So they are both made up of that same imagination and mental construct of that one dreamer. So in that sense, the rock and the tree are one. They are no different. They are the same. They are both creations of the same imaginary dreamer. तो हमारा भी यही हाल है. जहां रुक जाए पल, कहीं ना फिर आए कल साथिया. How do we learn to go more and more towards this? Towards not thinking, worrying about the tomorrow. एक मांगे अगर 100 ख्वाब दूं, what are the dreams that we can dream? Maybe you start with dreaming about wealth or a nice house or a nice car or whatever. But that is just one dream. What is available is thousands of dreams. A dream in which you are living as a divine power on this planet. A dream in which you are living as a divine source of love to all. A dream in which you experience this life as a miracle all the time. A dream in which there is compassion. A dream in which no child is without food. A dream in which no living being needs to suffer. That kind of a dream, that kind of a dream. एक मांगे अगर 100 ख्वाब दूं. Ah, hello Pratibha Ben, hello after a long time. Madhvi also after a long time, hello Madhvi. Uh, तू रहे खुश मैं आबाद हूं. तू सबसे, this is a very beautiful combination of lines. तू सबसे जुदा जुदा सा है, तू अपनी तरह तरह सा है. So on the one line you're saying तू सबसे जुदा जुदा सा है, you are different, you are different. And then the second line it says तू अपनी तरह तरह सा है, you're just like me. You think, feel, act, speak like me. मुझे लगता नहीं है तू दूसरा, because there is only one at the end of the day. There is only oneness. हंसू मैं जब गाए तू, रोऊं मैं मुरझाए तू, भीगू मैं बरसाए तू, साथिया. So while we are one, while we are one, while we are the same, and there is nothing different, yet to experience laughter, to experience tears, to experience love, we have conveniently separated ourselves into separate units, separate beings with ability to feel. And it is so such a beautiful game. हंसू मैं जब गाए तू. So that connectedness, रोऊं मैं मुरझाए तू, because we are one. And that is the most it's almost like the the evidence is staring us in the face. Is staring us in the face when we have a laugh, when it is that recognition. You, if you look at any point at which laughter happens, laughter happens the point at which you forget yourself is where laughter happens. A joke is only works because in the punchline you forget yourself. No matter what is any good joke, if you have ever heard, the only purpose of the joke is to take you to a point you are still in yourself, because everything is just normal, and then the punchline comes, and the punchline comes as such a surprise that for a moment you forget you are you. And the laughter is that. The laughter is the forgetting of the separate self and simultaneous remembrance of who you really are. It's a simultaneous recollection and a simultaneous memory. And then the laughter, because the spontaneous laughter and joyousness is the true nature and the true quality of that, who you really are. Great. So both are important. Both are important. The remembering and the forgetting. The remembering and the forgetting. The remembering and the forgetting. But the most which is normally what has happened all our life. We remember, we laugh, we remember, we cry. Why do we feel a sorrow when we see somebody suffering? When we see a poor child on the street or alone, abandoned, just a little kid. So we feel that because again, we forget ourselves and we realize the love that child is and I am is the same in that one moment. So we all forget. Every joke that you ever heard is a forgetting of the small self and a remembrance of the true self. How you get there may be different. There are different hundreds of kinds of jokes, but the underlying truth of all jokes, in fact of all genuine laughter, is that moment of remembering, of becoming that, and it is just joyous. So remembering and forgetting, remembering and forgetting, remembering and forgetting is the way of life. Is how this whole universe is happening, moving. When you only forget and don't remember, is when you are miserable. The misery and suffering is instead of forgetting, remembering, forgetting, remembering, forgetting, remembering, if the balance shifts more towards the side of forgetting, then that is where misery begins. You suffer because you are not at all remembering who you are. And if you're only forgetting, then your being is starved for that connection, for that remembering. And because you don't remember for whatever reason, you suffer, you are miserable, you are jealous, you are angry, you are, and then it can take any shape, any form, because you want to remember, you want laughter, you want to feel that connection, and you don't. And the more you forget, the more desperate you become to remember. And the more desperate you become to remember, the more dramatic and drastic the actions you take in order to remember. But you can't remember. You may steal, you may cheat, you may commit violence, you may do all kinds of activity which is a desperate attempt to remember. So this is one end of the spectrum. The other end of the spectrum is when you're only in a remembrance and not in forgetting. I mean, this is the state of the Himalayan masters or the saints who have reached a state of such divine connection that they're only in remembrance, only in remembrance, only in remembrance. And this forgetting kind of has dropped away, and they are willing and able, actually not just willing, but they are able to simply drop the whole dream at any moment. That is what they talk about when they speak about samadhi, ichha mrityu, that they have forgotten to such an extent that they are able and willing to drop this forgetting aspect of the universe at a moment's notice, and they are able to do that. um, but to me, I've to me it seems that, at least where I am sitting right now, this is what it seems to me. I maybe that all remembrance and no forgetting, and totally no forgetting, is something which which I may have momentarily experience, but it is not a permanent experience for me, at least right now. And so, to me, from where I'm looking, it seems to me that the most powerful, the most beautiful, the most fulfilling state is neither of these two extremes, but one in which you only are in remembrance, but you choose to forget. You choose to forget in order to play this game called life, to play this game called the universe, to be part of this dream, which is the dreamer's dream, to continue to play this game which the dreamer has devised. So, which is the state in which you remember who you are and yet you choose to play this game. And that is a fulfilled and a full miraculous life, a miraculous existence. And that is what the whole I meditation is about. The I meditation is about being in remembrance and yet deliberately forgetting, purposely forgetting. So, so the so that state, which you can call what, different names like lucid dreaming, they have the term called lucid dreaming, where you are inside the dream but you know that it's a dream, and therefore can simply celebrate the dream now because you know that it's just a dream and whatever happens is just fine. And so I meditation or insta meditation is nothing but remembering who you are in the middle of forgetting who you are. In the middle of forgetting who you are, remembering who you are. And being gaining more and more mastery over this skill, this ability, so that you are able to forget at will and you are able to remember at will, not just at a random, you forget and you are thrown by the circumstances and you get into deep states of sorrow and depression and all that. Great. So I'd given you all a home play, a homework to share your experiences about bringing or seeing that in this, seeing that in the ordinary, seeing that in whatever is, seeing that everything I see in is all part of the dream of that one universal mind. So, or if you have questions or challenges about seeing that in any situation, so questions or shares from whoever would like to.
Can I?
Yes, yes, Purushottam ji. Bolo. I don't know why his connection is always fine while he's listening, and it's perfectly okay. He's responding, he's hearing everything, but the minute he starts to share, something happens with Sonal says, very nice to hear, but not able to apply. Good, very good.
Like
You know, I like your honesty, Sonal. Very good, wonderful.
Sanjeev ji.
Huh.
So I think Purushottam ji is back. Let's see if his connection is working.
Yeah. Yeah. Is your connection okay now? पुरुषोत्तम जी हाँ वापस फ्रीज हो गया लगता है मे बी पुरुषोत्तम जी ट्राई स्टॉपिंग योर वीडियो then maybe audio can be better. And is he able to unmute? Jennifer ji, just allow unmuting if it's disabled. I think he's having trouble. Go ahead, Anamika.
तो संजीव जी ये जो इंस्टा मेडिटेशन है जब ये शुरू हुआ था so when we started it so it was like क्या है ये मतलब कैसे अप्लाई करूं so
Yeah.
now I have reached to a position कि ठीक है if I face when I forget myself then I bring it at least I bring it no matter how I react to it but at least I'm able to bring it constantly bringing myself to this also asking me myself this question it has brought so much of change in me like matlab, it just changes you in the sense that आप चाहकर भी किसी पे गुस्सा नहीं हो सकते if you bring that
Yeah.
you are
Correct.
losing your anger only
Correct.
people are fed up of being angry here by bringing that to this we are losing कि अरे वो anger मैं पकड़ के रखा था कहाँ गया
कहाँ गया? Yeah, that incident with your employee, you can share. Go ahead.
so I keep telling my employee that we have decided that on every Saturday we will do this thing but every time I'm chasing her so I was like I'm fed up of chasing her and now it's all over I'm going to hire someone else and so many things which were going in my mind and I was messaging her and I said I want to talk to you and then she said okay I'm talking to you I'll call you back and the moment we spoke I told myself how should I bring myself from
To
that
this,
to this
that to this.
and everything was okay.
Okay, so what happened in the conversation?
I said yaar bhej de that's it.
And she said, okay.
Yeah, okay. Again, we are back.
Correct.
So something clicks, but then also it needs so much of practice. It needs so much of practice that we have
Right.
to keep bringing.
Right. Yeah, and bringing that to this also doesn't mean you can't tell that person, hey, listen, I don't want to have this conversation every Saturday. Just make sure this happens every time. But the same thing can be said coming from a space of you and I are one. And the same thing can be coming from a space of you are whatever, fill in the blank, lazy or irresponsible or whatever. And when you're saying it from that space, the same sentence has a completely different experience for you. Your inner experience of whatever you're saying is different. The other person who's listening that person's experience is also different, and the result is also likely to be very different.
Yes. Very much,
So
very much.
yeah, great,
Is it
great.
so? I have a question on this.
Yeah.
Is it so that the more I meditate, the more this Insta meditation gets better?
Yeah, I mean, see, the meditation the normal meditation that we have been doing and we do is sort of like net practice. How is it like net practice? You know net practice in cricket, right? So net practice में ना तो कोई आउट हो सकता है, ना तो कोई कैच आउट होगा, ना तो कोई चौके छक्के लगेंगे, ना कोई नुकसान है, ना कोई फायदा है, and you are free to just practice whatever you're doing, your shot of hitting or playing, defending, bowling, same thing. Whether I bowl a good ball or a bad ball, there is no consequence. तो हमने एक, क्या कहते हैं उसे, एक ककून सा बनाया है, प्रोटेक्टेड शेल्फ, a protected cell inside which not much is at stake. कोई ज्यादा नुकसान नहीं है, कोई ज्यादा फायदा नहीं है. आप मेडिटेशन कर रहे हो, आंख बंद करके एक कोने में बैठे हो, ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या हो जाएगा, सो जाओगे. That is the that is the only thing that can happen. Or you stay awake and you meditate. You are not going to be in action in the world where something can go wrong, something can go right, something can go beautiful, something can go terrible. Nothing. You are in like a net practice. तो ये net practice करना important है, useful है, अच्छा है. But the purpose of playing the game of life is not net practice, right? नेट प्रैक्टिस अच्छा है, लेकिन सिर्फ नेट प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो क्या क्रिकेट खेलोगे और क्या मैच खेलोगे और क्या क्या कर लोगे. सो नेट प्रैक्टिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इट विल हेल्प यू प्ले द रियल गेम, but it is not the real game. The real game is with your eyes open and life hitting you at 55 miles an hour and things flying all over the place and things happening where emotions can come into play. Your मेडिटेशन में क्या है, कोई किसी पे गुस्सा आया तो क्या है, उसको देखा और छोड़ दिया. Here, when you are getting angry, there's an opportunity to speak, to lash out, or to withdraw, or to soften it, or to make it. So there's a lot more possibility, a lot more is at stake. अगर अगर अम, अगर गलती करी तो नुकसान भी ज्यादा होगा, और अच्छा कुछ किया तो फायदा भी ज्यादा होगा. So the normal meditation is like neck practice. No harm in doing it. Good to do it. It will help you. But the real game is the real game. The real game is life. In that real game, if you are able to score, if you are able to hit the fours and sixes, and or get people out, or take a catch, or field nicely, then that is what the whole name is of the game. And that is where Insta meditation comes in. So yes, the net practice is going to be helpful, but just remember that that's not the goal. That's not the purpose. So unless you come out and play the game, and in that game you excel, that's when the fun is. Then that's where the challenge is, and that's where the adventure is, and that's where the celebration is. So good. हाँ पुरुषोत्तम जी, आपका अभी ऑडियो चल रहा है लग रहा है. Okay. हाँ, go ahead.
मैं अभी राजस्थान टूर पे था विद फैमिली. ऑलमोस्ट 35 पीपल थे हम लोग. तो इस टूर के एक्सपीरियंसेस मुझे शेयर करने थे. वो बहुत ही मतलब वंडरफुल, बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हुआ.
अच्छा, वाओ, ग्रेट.
जैसे आपने पहले एक सेशन हुआ था तो बोला था कि कोई भी सेलिब्रेशन, व्हाट इज सेलिब्रेशन? तो सेलिब्रेशन इज ब्रिंगिंग दैट इनटू दिस.
करेक्ट.
ऑल द टाइम जो भी सेलिब्रेशन है, तो वो विचार मेरे माइंड में मतलब जाते समय कहीं तो भी बहुत डीप विद इन चला गया था. तो ऑल द टाइम जब भी मैं कोई टूर पे फैमिली में जाता था साथ में, हमेशा तो जहाँ कहीं साइलेंट प्लेस दिखा, कोई मंदिर है, कोई ऐसी जगह है, तो मैं मेडिटेट करने के लिए बहुत ज्यादा ये करता था मेरा, और मैं वहीं रुक
हम्म
जाता था, तो बाकी लोग
हम्म
चिल्लाते थे मेरे नाम से।
हाँ
लेकिन इस बार ऐसे लेकिन इस बार ऐसे हुआ कि मैं एक जगह में नहीं रुका, और ऑल द टाइम मैं मेडिटेटिव स्टेट में था।
करेक्ट करेक्ट
ये जो है ना, ये आप जो हमेशा बोल रहे हैं ना, वो उसी का फल है, ब्रिंगिंग दैट इनटू दिस। तो ऐसे ही इसमें मैं 2 बार तो ऐसे हुआ कि पूरे फैमिली के साथ रहने के बाद एक बार तो काफी बड़ा झगड़ा हुआ एक ट्रेन
अच्छा
में। एक बंदा था कि जो किसी के साथ कोऑपरेट नहीं कर रहा था, हर किसी के साथ झगड़ा किया। तो मैंने उसके साथ भी झगड़ा किया, लेकिन उस झगड़े का एक्सपीरियंस मेरा जो है ना, वो मुझे जिंदगी भर याद रहेगा।
अच्छा
मैं उसके साथ जो बोलना है चिल्ला रहा हूँ, उसकी बात काट रहा हूँ, सब कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन मेरे अंदर उसके लिए जो प्रेम है, जो एक
अरे
प्रेम
वाह
भाव है, वो बिल्कुल भी कम नहीं हुआ। वो बिल्कुल
वाह
भी कम नहीं हुआ।
वाह
वो हाँ, इतना अच्छा लग रहा था मुझे कि मैं उसके साथ पूरा झगड़ा भी किया, और आखिर में बोला, बेटा हम कर क्या रहे हैं,
हाँ
ये सब बातें जो चल रही है हम कर क्या रहे हैं, हम थोड़ी देर के लिए ट्रेन में आए, आप भी एंजॉय करने हैं, हम भी आए, लेकिन हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं।
राइट
तो वो जिस ढंग से मैंने बात किया उससे, तो उसके बाद वो लिटरली, मतलब 25-30 साल का लड़का होगा, वो लिटरली मैं उठ के पैर पड़ा मेरे, जो आधे घंटे से झगड़ रहा था सबसे।
राइट कैन यू इमेजिन
वो वो एक वो उसका गेस्चर था, लेकिन मैं आधा घंटा तक उससे बहस कर रहा हूँ, बात कर रहा हूँ, और मेरे अंदर से कुछ भी नहीं हिल रहा है। मैं
करेक्ट करेक्ट
मैं वो बी गाय के साथ में जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, और मैं हर बात उसके साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ। ये मेरे लाइफ का इतना बड़ा अचीवमेंट है कि मुझे नहीं लगता कि, मतलब मेडिटेटिव स्टेट में या मैं पीएचडी में जाने के बाद में मुझे जो बहुत हाईएस्ट फीलिंग आया ना, उससे भी बड़ा फीलिंग मुझे ये लगा कि मैं
करेक्ट
सामने वाले से झगड़ रहा हूँ और मैं मेडिटेशन में हूँ।
वाओ वाओ वाओ
मैं ऑल द टाइम कनेक्टेड हूँ अपने आप से, और मैं इतना कंट्रोल में था खुद के, मैं जो भी बोल रहा हूँ मैं आउट ऑफ लव ही बोल रहा था उसको, उसके हर बात
राइट
काट रहा हूँ, उसकी कोई बात नहीं सुन रहा हूँ, उसके अगेंस्ट ही बोल रहा हूँ, लेकिन मेरे मन में कोई हेट्रेट नहीं है, कुछ नहीं। मैंने ऐसे लग रहा हूँ कि मैं अपने बेटे से, अपने किसी नजदीक के आदमी से बात कर रहा हूँ। तो ये
राइट
फीलिंग, और हर जगह एक पैराग्लाइडिंग का एक्सपीरियंस है। उतना ऊपर हाई जाने के बाद में मुझे, मतलब इतना ऐसे अलग फील हो रहा था कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा मैं हवा में उड़ रहा हूँ, बस यही रहूं, कहीं भी
राइट
जाने की जरूरत नहीं। जो जो मतलब बिगर आय से जो कनेक्ट होने के बाद में जो फीलिंग और जो एक्सपीरियंस है, हर चीज को एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए जाते हैं हम, लेकिन वो एक्सपीरियंस की जो एक स्टेज है, इतनी सेंसिटिविटी बढ़ी हुई लगी, और मुझे ऑल द टाइम ऐसा लगा कि मैं, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 4-5 डेज में मैं कम, मतलब मुझे नहीं याद आता कि मैं कभी अपने आप से डिस्कनेक्ट हुआ।
वाओ
तो
वाओ
इट इज वो एक्चुअली मेरे लिए एखादे एएमसी जैसा था।
फैंटास्टिक 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 दिस इज इट हर जगह वही नजर आता है फिर हर जगह
बहुत ही
वही
अच्छा।
स्टेट वही वही या वेरी नाइस वंडरफुल
So I'll also like to share
बरोबर.
something.
यस प्लीज
So uh, I was in my car with my driver, and there's this small lane we were passing, and that car ahead of me had stopped, and that fellow had come out, and he was fighting with somebody who had parked wrongly. Very fervently he was fighting, and like the fight went on for 5 minutes. I waited, and then I told my driver, honk loudly. So my driver honked loudly. So that fellow left that fellow's fighting and came to fight with me. What is it? Can't you see? Blah, 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 blah. So I said, what happened? See, he's done this. So I completely understand. But I need your help, I told him. I need your help. My mother is sick and I need to go home fast. So can you please help me now? For now, just drop this. We'll just move on for today. So please help me out. So he immediately said, okay. He went and he started driving and I went out, finished.
right exactly
So it was
beautiful yeah just some things are very simple when we are in the presence of that things are very clear very simple it's all the complication and the garbad is only when we are caught in this it's like a big
माया जाल उसी को कहते हैं ना, माया जाल ही कहते हैं, सिर्फ माया नहीं, माया जाल. It is a maya jal, and to break free from that maya jal is the most liberating feeling. Wonderful. Yeah, we see that in this, that in this, that in this, and when we are open to that, हर चीज में यही आ जाता है. So I had some very interesting experiences on the tennis courts these last few days. But we'll talk about that on Thursday.
अभी
अभी Thursday के लिए
शादी
रखते
का
हैं.
गीत शादी पे गाने का ना. अभी
अपने लिए हर दिन शादी है.
अयो हर्षद.
रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हमी से नाम प्यार का, के मर के भी किसी को याद आएंगे, किसी के आंसुओं में मुस्कुराएंगे, किसी को हो ना हो हमें तो एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है, जीना इसी का नाम है, जीना इसी का नाम है.
Great. Wonderful. Rajesh. Yes. Oh, great. Okay, wonderful. I bow down to the divine that is present where you are. Hari Om Tat Sat.
Thank you.
Thank you.